Rarely were there's any point that I was really in the present, rather always looking for the next step. But as we've grown, changed, and struggled together, that obsession with the future has slowly faded away. With you in my life, the uncertainty of what lies ahead is just simply not a factor.
Whether it's helping my family mow the grass every other weekend, pet sitting for your family, or going to the grocery store 5 times because I keep forgetting ingredients for a recipe.
I, Matt,
Take you, Matt,
as my lawfully wedded wife,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
for better or worse,
for richer or poor,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish.
today and always,
I choose you as my partner for life,
until death do us apart.
Now for the exchange of rings. It is my honor to pronounce you man and wife. You make us arrive.
Got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way.
After 7 incredible years together, I've had the honor of calling you my friend, boyfriend, fiance, and today, husband. You are my greatest confidant, my greatest supporter, and most importantly, my best friend.
With you in every moment, it feels all the more fulfilling, whether it's running errands or momentous occasions like today. That feeling of happiness is only amplified by the sheer variety you add to our lives. Not a day goes by where you're not pushing back on hard-held beliefs of mine or being ever more curious about the world around you.
You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I can.
With you in my life, the uncertainty of what lies ahead is just simply not a factor. As odd as it may sound, simple acts like making your breakfast and coffee every morning fills me with a sense of joy that I've yet to feel elsewhere. The feeling that evokes shows me what is often hard to explain when someone asks, "How do you know you love someone?"
You know it when you touch my hand. It all just goes away. The things I plan to say. Oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, and all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you. Ooh, it sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do.
And start out, Chaz, thank you for the beautiful words. Funny yet caring, which I think would describe you. So, thank you, Chaz. But I guess just in a really broad sense, I know I say this all the time to everyone here, and you hear this a lot, but genuinely, thank you all for coming.
Another thanks to Judy and Chaz. Thank you guys so much for helping us out with all of this. You were a great officiant, great best man. Thank you to everybody who's helped. But again, like Matt said, thank you most of all to Mama Ricardo. We couldn't have been here without you guys.